What's good, YouTube? We back in the garage of greatness. Your boy Car Reviews by KJ. Let's get it cracking, man. All right, so I want y'all to know something. I was talking about selling a box Chevy, right? So I guess we're not selling a box Chevy no more, man. Had too many tire kickers out here playing around, offering me $2,000, $1,500, all type of crazy prices, right? So we got the box Chevy moved back into the garage. Box Chevy is back. So the plan is to do an LS swap. We're going LS. I know I was holding off on getting the LS. I was like, man, I'm gonna keep the carburetor. I'm gonna keep the, you know what I'm saying? I just got the transmission rebuilt. Cross all that out. All that's out the window now. So now we're gonna sell this. It's 350 Vortec. Got a rod knock. Got hooker headers. You know, all brand new internals. Everything except the crankshaft. Everything pretty much new inside of there except the crankshaft. So I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna sell the transmission. And I got me a 5.3 4L60 combo LS motor. So that's what we're gonna be throwing in the box. This will be my first time pulling the motor. So I'm a little nervous. I'm real nervous, actually. I don't know how it's gonna come out. So we about to see. But yeah, this is gonna be my first time pulling the motor. So we're gonna see what I can do. But the good thing is, let that plane pass by. Good thing is I already got electric fans and I already got the radiator I think I need, so I saved money there. I already ran a wire, so I already got an electric fuel pump on here, but I'm gonna put the in-tank fuel pump. So I was just watching a couple videos. Apparently I'm gonna need a different fuel tank and a different fuel sending unit. But guess what? I already did that. So there's one job I already know how to do. I ain't gotta worry about messing that up. So I can do that myself. I'm gonna go ahead and start breaking down this engine. I just wanted to cut this video on before I actually started breaking it down. You can see I already removed the already removed the compressor. So this thing pretty much got everything that I wanted, and then it started knocking. So Summit Racing intake. It's a Vortec, so I got the Vortec heads and everything. It had a lot of power, brand new carburetor, brand new everything. Everything in the front pretty much new except the water pump. So the water pump and the power steering pump, that's the only thing that's not new. Everything else new. Timing chain, harmonic balancer, all that stuff new. The push rod's even brand new in there. I got new gaskets all the way around. The valve cover gaskets, the header gaskets new. It got hooker headers on it. I got a new distributor cap, new rotor cap. I got all new AC lines, so that's another thing I'm glad about. I already got this brand new. So with the LS motor, I should be able to still use some of the internals of the AC. I just got a new compressor. Man, I came across a deal, y'all. I'm super happy about it, bro. So I came across I already told y'all the 5.3 or whatever, but it got everything. It got the computer, it got the pedal, it got all the components you can need. He even said the drive shaft. He said I can have the drive shaft. So hopefully, I'm probably gonna have to get a custom drive shaft done, but that's later down the line. But that engine came out of a running truck. It came out of a Suburban. So a Suburban with 2-wheel drive on it. So we about to be in the game. Let me go ahead and start breaking this thing down, man. And then I'm about to unhook the battery, start breaking it down. I'm excited, bro. So if y'all excited, man, drop a comment. I appreciate you viewing. Don't forget to like the video if you already this far into it. And we're about to start breaking this thing down, man. Yeah. All right. So that's all I got so far. I got this side of the header off. I took off the plugs on both sides. Took them off the distributor and everything. I'm gonna leave the plugs in, but I'm about to take out the headers. So the way the header's detached. See, I took it off on this side too. There we go. So we're making a little progress. So I guess once I finish the headers, I'll probably move to the carburetor. Probably leave all that stuff on. Yeah, we're making progress. Let's go. We back and we in full effect, all right? So this is what we got so far. See, I got the Elderbrock carburetor is ripped off. This for sale, that's for sale, that's for sale. I bought this for $380. You can get it for $250. $250, $100, and give me $40 for that. All right, so this is what we got left. All right, as you can see, we got this thing stripped down. I got this side off, the header's off on this side right here. So I got that header off. You see how much room it is to play when you get that thing taken care of? And get you a toolbox, man. I did all this with common hand tools. Only thing that I got that was out of the ordinary was this right here. This right here is pretty much a quick ratchet to make it come off quicker. So once you loosen it up, you can just speed take it off. That save a lot of time. So I would get one if I was y'all. I'll link that in the description. But yeah, I'm having a hard time getting this side off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the starter. I'm gonna remove the starter on this side, and then that way I should be able to slide the header out on that side. But I got everything off, man. It's my first time stripping the engine down. See the wire harness, I named everything that I might get confused on. So this the alternator cord. Over there, this the water temp. It's the water temp gauge. Well, not gauge, but the cords that tell the water temp. So anything that I might get confused on, I labeled it so I won't get confused, because I know a lot of this stuff got to come out. All the harness and stuff got to come out. If you ever did this before and you see anything I'm doing that's not right, or if you did it a different way that make it easier, let me know in the comments, because this video will be coming out, but I'll still be working on this, so let me know. I'm trying to get me a cherry picker so I can get this engine out of there. I'm taking the engine and transmission out. The engine got a knock, but all the parts and stuff like that on top of it good. Got the Summit Racing intake. Got the Vortec heads on there. I'm trying to part it out. But yeah, down here, you see I'm about to get the header off. I already drained the oil. I drained the coolant. So that thing that's hanging right there, that's the blanket for the starter. I'm taking that off. That'll be going on a new one. But yeah, I already drained all of that, so all the hoses and stuff off. So you see, I got the long tubes over here. It's top radiator hose. I had to take out the oil dipstick because I couldn't get the header off without taking that off. So I took that off. And then you see I already removed the plugs, wires, the entire assembly over there for the rotor and everything. So yeah, this thing pretty much ready to come out. I'm about to take the hood off. And what I did here, see I took a permanent marker and I traced it so I can see where it go when it's time to put it back on. But it's only 4 screws holding the hood in. And that's gonna help with when I take this one out, it's gonna leave a lot of room. And then when it's time to put in the LS, I have a lot more space. So yeah, man, I'm ready to get this LS in there, get this thing on the road. As y'all know already, I got the carpet and stuff like that. Once I get to a stopping point on the engine, I'm gonna go ahead and rip out the seats. Well, I really just gotta rip out the front seats and stuff like that. Take out this old carpet, and then I'm gonna put this brown carpet in there. I guess I'll put my steering wheel cover back on since the one that's in there ain't all that. Something fell. Yeah, let me get back to work, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, so we at a stopping point now. Got everything taken off. I even got the hood taken off. I'm gonna paint this black while it's already off. Move these boxes out the way. I'm gonna swap out, well, I'm actually not at a stopping point. I'm gonna swap out the heater core. Go ahead and take care of that while I got the hood off and it's easily accessible. But yeah, all this stuff you see here for sale. Only thing not for sale, of course, is like the any accessories that's not attached to the engine. But everything that was attached to the engine, you know, headers and stuff like that, those can go. But yeah, we at a stopping point. I'm gonna just disconnect anything else, like the little oil gauge and everything. I'll disconnect that, tape it off for the next motor. Hopefully it fit. If it don't fit, then oh well. Just get a new one. I'm about to go to AutoZone. I'm gonna pick up some parts. I'm gonna take some parts back. I'm gonna pick up some parts. I'm gonna go ahead and order that gas tank for the 90s model, the one with the fuel injection. And then I'm gonna go ahead and order me my fuel sending unit and my fuel pump. And then I'll go ahead and swap that out while waiting on the cherry picker. And then I'll go ahead and get I gotta get spark plugs, wires, gaskets for the valve covers for the other motor. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put all that stuff in the cart, and then I'm gonna start ordering it slowly and start this build. 'Cause I ain't rich, but I'm about to get this thing done because I'm tired of playing around. So yeah, we'll see y'all on another one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you like the footage, and we'll holler at you on the next one. Peace out.